So I'm getting ready to hang some candle holders on the wall, and I have drywall on my wall, and it can be a pain to secure stuff on the wall if you can't find the stud to get into. And I've tried those plastic inserts in the past that go in the drywall. They seem to loosen up after a while, especially like on curtain rods or something like that. They fall off and the rod falls down. So actually, my wife found these little anchors on Amazon of all places, and they come in a pack of 160 pieces, and they're these little butterfly metal anchor things, and you can tap them into the drywall with the hammer, and I'll show you how they work. And then they come with a pile of screws, and I just used one to secure our curtain rod back to the wall, and it seemed like it was in there pretty tight. I guess time will tell, but right now it seems pretty secure, way more secure than it was with the plastic anchors that I had in there. But these are pretty nice. I'll show you how they work. So I made a couple marks on the wall right here, and there's a little point on there right there. So I'm gonna put it on my mark and make sure it's centered. And I'm just gonna tap it in, and it buries itself right into the drywall. Alright, there you go. So they gave you some bronze screws, but I'm going to use the black metal ones that came with these candle holders. There it goes. It's on there nice and tight. It's a lot more secure than using those plastic inserts. So what I'll do is I'll put a link to these in the description of the video. And it's my first time using these, but they seem nice and sturdy. And you can buy them right at like Amazon. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with these. They went in pretty easy, as you could see in the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching.